Hi, welcome. We're at the Celebrity Edge again, and this time it's at the Sky Suite. Room number is 10131 for 1 week, Western Caribbean cruise, and it is New Year's Eve. So the Sky Suite was for a period of 1 week, and you got this nice large balcony over here with the sunbed and 2 chairs, and it's a beautiful day today. We're on sea all day, so no dockings today, no land excursions, nothing. And let's have a look at the room. So this Sky Suite has like a nice large king size bed, as well as the couch over there, and I've been staying in this room already for a couple days, so it's quite messy. Couldn't remember to do this video earlier. They have artwork as well, which is probably a print, and a lot of stuff over here. They got the mini bar in one of the closets. There you go. And from what I see, the mini bars for the suites are at no charge at the retreat, and there is also the retreat lounge downstairs or upstairs, depending on what floor you're on the 15th floor. So here you go. There also was welcome amenity of the Celebrity champagne, which I haven't opened yet. Actually, it's sparkling wine. It's not champagne. And the bathroom is also noteworthy because it's pretty spacious, and one of the few bathrooms at the Celebrity Edge here, or on the edge I should say, that has a tub. However, the bathtub is not very tall, so you can probably sit in it, but the water is not going to reach like very high up, depending on how tall you are. So shower, it's a regular shower head actually, and to be completely honest, I do prefer the shower in the regular staterooms rather than having to stand here in the bathtub, but that's probably just personal preference. Then here you got your vanity table, you can sit down if you want to, and the toilet is here in a separate little area that you can just shut off with the door. But vanity area is always nice. And then you got the large sink. It's actually single sink, but double size, so you can have 2 people like getting their stuff done here at the same time. And I used it all for myself, so there is like lots of chaos in this cabin at the moment. And then we got the closet space, which is quite extensive as well. So here we go. I got something delivered from the laundry service, and then also there are the slippers, which are pretty much like one of the amenities for the retreat. I think the regular staterooms do not get slippers, and the Aqua class I'm not 100% sure. Here's another item from the laundry service, and I just want to open this closet here as well because it has a safe deposit box, another laundry bag, and there's a router. And the router brings me to one topic. The internet is absolutely horrendous on this ship. Even the Accelerate stream is a connection that is disgusting. If you need to get any work done, at least on this sailing, don't rely on the Accelerate stream because it's not going to do you any good. So unfortunately I had to cancel that one, and I'm going to do what I need to do once I'm in port next time with the roaming. So bed I already mentioned, large, super comfortable as usual on Celebrity. The couch is also spacious, and I believe it's a pull-out couch. So in this Sky Suite, if you are like for example a couple and you have a child traveling with you or something, you could pull that out and then could stay in the same room without having to book 2. And to conclude this video, let's have a little look out here from the balcony again. Quite beautiful. And the beautiful thing about the Sky Suites is also that they still have a traditional balcony versus the infinity one that the regular veranda rooms and the Aqua class have. So very, very nice. This was a Celebrity Edge, Sky Suite number 10131, and this is in December actually December 31st, 2021.